Let me show you how to work a half double crochet stitch. This stitch is abbreviated HDC, which stands for half double crochet. So to make this stitch, we will wrap the yarn around our hook before we put the hook into the next stitch or the stitch indicated in the pattern. So you wrap it from the back to the front, and then you go into the stitch, wrap the yarn from the back to the front around your hook, and pull the loop through. You have 3 loops on your hook. You yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. One more time. Yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over, pull through so that you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops at once. So this is your half double crochet stitch.